Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to format your data in Excel. Why would you want to know how to format your data in Excel? Well, maybe you want to make your data more clear. So today, I am going to show you how to format your data in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Now select all the table. The easy way, we're going to press here, formatting. You will find many types. Then the other way, select again the table. From home, conditional formatting data bars, you will find many types. Choose what you want, that easy. There you go. If you want to know how to format your data in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to format your data, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.